Hello guys, this video will show you how you can collect all of your resources or your bitmaps into a single folder. So a lot of times when you're working on a scene, you will have textures from all over your computer. You got them on your internal hard drive, external hard drive, all sorts of places, networks. And so how can you reconcile them into a single folder so you can easily share it, for example, put it into a zip file, put it into a single file and share it? Well, I'll show you how you can do that. So you simply go into the very right here, you have your utilities, and you click on this button right here to customize this. And you find something here called, let's see, resource collector. So you can just press RE to go into the R section right here, resource collector. Then you drag this and you put it, either replace it or you can go ahead and increase the number of buttons here. So for example, I can make this 10. Let's see here. Or actually, there we go, 10. Now we've got an extra slot here. I can drag it into there and click on OK. Here it is. Simply click on that. And so right here, you can define the folder. So then we have some options: collect the bitmaps, photometric files, include the max file, compress the files. We can either copy or move it. So if you actually want to move the files, you can use move, copy, we just make a copy. You can update the materials as well. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and browse to a folder, guys, and I'll click on begin, and I'll come back to you once it's all finished. So guys, in the folder, as you can see, all the textures that are part of the scene have been collected, and there they are. And also in the material editor, they've also been updated. So guys, that's how you can go ahead and compile all your bitmaps into a single folder very quickly, efficiently. Thank you for watching. Take care.